Hello everyone. Today we are going to see these two questions. These two questions are Maharashtra Board's favorite questions. Why? Don't know. But these two are favorite question of Maharashtra State Board. See here, what is the difference between these two questions? Here only plus sign and here only minus sign. So one year it is coming plus sign and one year minus sign. So alternately these two questions are regularly coming. So today we are going to solve these two questions. How we have to solve it? See here, when here plus sign is there, when we split numbers, plus sign will become. And if here minus sign will be there, when we split numbers, two minus signs will come. Okay? That much everyone understood? Now, how to split the numbers? We have to find the two numbers whose multiplication will come 54 and their addition will be 50. So which are the two numbers? 9. See here, 9 6 are 9 multiplied by 6, it becomes 54, and 9 plus 6, it becomes 50. So these two numbers are perfect for our answer, perfect for our solution. Okay, everyone understood till that? Now see here how to solve it. First m square. Now plus sign is there, so plus 9m plus 6m plus 54 is equal to 0. Now what we have to do? Now from this term we have to take m common, and here in bracket m will come. How m will come? M square, m into m square. So here out of bracket we are taking m common, and in bracket m plus 9. M into m square, m into 9, 9m. That much everyone understood? Yes or no? Now plus here we are taking 6 common in bracket. Copy this same bracket. Okay, always if you don't understood, then also copy the same bracket. How m plus 9 will come? 6m, 6 into m, 6m, and 6 9s are 54. That much everyone understood? Understood? Now take these two brackets, m plus 9 and m plus 6. Okay, so m plus 9 is equal to 0 or m plus 6 is equal to 0. Now we have to find the value of m. So m is equal to 9 will goes that side, so it will become minus 9, or m is equal to minus 6. Here 6 also going this side, so it will become negative. Plus sign will becomes negative this side. Okay. So that much everyone understood? Same type of question. Only one sign is different over here. See here. First m square. Same. We have to split this 15 into two numbers 9 and 6. Yes or no? But only we have to take here minus sign. So m square minus 9m minus 6m plus 54 is equal to 0. Okay. Now see here we have to take here also m common, m minus 9. Now minus here we have to take from these two terms 6 common, m minus 9. Why we took here minus 9? See here 6 into m, 6m, 6 9s are 54. Minus minus it will become plus. So copy the same bracket over here. That much everyone understood? Yes or no? Now see here we have to take these brackets like this. Okay, so m minus 9 is equal to 0 or m minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we have to find the value of m over here. So m is equal to, if 9 will goes this side, minus becomes plus 9, right? Or m is equal to, if 6 will go this side, it will become plus 6. Understood? Everyone? That much only difference in these two questions. Bye bye. Thank you.